Hey there, I'm Mike Opheim with Edina Realty and Mike Opheim Real Estate. Seller tip number 4 is about taking care of deferred maintenance before you sell. In most cases, it'll cost you a lot less now to fix than what it would cost you in lost revenue on the sale of your house. This is even true in a strong seller's market. So consider the potential financial benefits of taking care of upfront any broken locks, loose door handles and railings, cracked front steps, blown window seals and cracked panes, damaged blinds, leaking faucets and drains, faulty outlets and lights, and loose or rotting deck boards. You should also discuss with your realtor whether it makes sense to have your furnace and AC serviced and certified before going to the market. Some sellers even choose to have pre-inspections done on their chimneys, their sewer lines, or even test for radon. You could even choose to have a complete home inspection done to provide to potential buyers. So there are pluses and minuses of taking any of these steps that your realtor can talk you through. So if you want an experienced realtor to help you maximize the sale price of your home and protect you regarding your legal and disclosure responsibilities, you can message me here, or you can find my contact information on my homepage or on my link tree. Thanks.